ஆல் மேடம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூஎஸ்லேருந்து வராங்க இன் சர்ச் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷனல் மெடிசன். ரெஸ்ட் அவங்களே சொல்லுவாங்க.
Hi. So I am here because I was looking for a functional medicine, and I've been waiting in a wait list in US because functional medicine is pretty famous in there, but it's a long wait line.
That's
when
true.
I go for a treatment, it's like 6 months wait line, and then there are days where when I'm closer to the appointment, they'll cancel it and saying that sorry, the doctor's not available, or they had an emergency appointment or something like that, and wait for another year. So this is the first time I'm seeing a functional doctor after a long wait, probably few years now. I'm here to treat because we have a really dry skin over there. The water quality is not as great there. So because of that, I used to get constant pimples and then dark eyes, hair fall, all that stuff, weight gain too. So I'm here to, I was reaching out to doctor because I got it through one of my family member. She had great results, so she kind of suggested me to meet the doctor. So I did had one treatment back in last year, just one, because I came for a really short trip. When I came this time, this is my 5th time visiting the doctor. Definitely see good results. I had a lot of acne marks, which has considerably reduced. I see good progress, so thanks to the doctor. And also, an additional thing, sorry, doctor.
Yes, no problem.
I have a special needs son, so the word functional medicine actually came through for my son. So I just came initially for my son when I was trying in US. Then she also suggested some zinc and magnesium like supplements, which I've been using on my son and hoping to get more results. So yeah.
So நான் எதுவுமே சொல்ல தேவையில்ல. She finished up everything very clearly. The main purpose of this video is like functional doctors and functional medicine. So in India, the awareness of functional medicine is very, very less, and in abroad, in any countries apart from India, the functional medicine and the functional doctors are not easily accessible. The purpose of Oxyplus is wellness for all. So we created with a motive, so it should be accessible for all the kind of people across the globe at affordable price. That's the main motive of Oxyplus, and I'm very, very happy, and people are more moving towards functional medicine apart from the routine practices. உங்களோட ஃபேவரட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் அட் Oxyplusன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க மேம்?
எனக்கு வந்து the favorite treatment was actually the IV.
IVs, very good.
Because I felt it's like an instant thing that's happening.
Very good.
So I really liked that, and that's something I also wanted to tell you. In addition to what you said,
Yes.
it's very expensive over there. Just for the initial appointment, they charge like hundreds of dollars.
Okay.
So
you can share my consultation charges also.
yeah, when she first told me, I thought, I was like, can you tell me again? So just making sure that I'm not, like, not paying less.
Okay.
So I was really, really happy with the treatment, and
Okay.
also that's also I wanted to say. So the favorite was IV because I felt it was instantly happening, and I can definitely see an immediate
results. That's very important.
Yeah.
And moreover, Oxyplus in one word, if you wanted to say, please convey your.
Oxyplus is something that people who have been searching out for things definitely should try here, because I think, I don't know, I mean, people like me now, we have been hearing from mouth of the words and coming it right. So you should go there. If you at least do a consultation, I would say start with her. She has been amazingly helpful, and she has been giving me like personal, the contacts and all that stuff, and ready for online meetups as well. So even like I am here for a few weeks. Actually, I'm leaving next week. So she's ready to continue through online, which is really
because
good.
Because functional medicine is like personal follow-up. It's
exactly.
a personalized medicine, precision medicine. So I have to be in touch with her for the rest of the life, and to know her updates. So and moreover, like இப்போ வந்து நாங்கள் ஃபேமிலி கனெக்ட் ஆகிட்டோம். ஏன்னா இப்போ அவங்க பையன் எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து, அண்ட் அவங்க நேம் சொன்னாலே எனக்கு மறக்காது. ஸோ ஐ ஸ்டில் ரிமெம்பர் த டே ஒன் ஷி கேம் டு மீ, அண்ட் நவ் ஹவு ஷீஸ் ஹேவ் இம்ப்ரூவ்ட். அண்ட் நீங்கள் இன்னும் Oxyplus in one word மட்டும் நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்கள்.
Oh sure, Oxyplus in one word is amazing.
Amazing, very good, thank you. And anything you wanted to convey to the society?
Definitely, I mean,
and for like, fellow females.
Yes, so I would say as a woman, I mean, as we get aged, right? We have hormonal imbalance, we have acne issues, we have weight gain, we have period issues, whatnot. It's a lot of stress, right? Like stress is the main thing that's causing all this. And எல்லாரும் சொல்றாங்க ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் குறைங்கன்னு முடிய மாட்டேங்குது. I'm trying it too, it's not happening. You know, so well, we need supplements like this, so
we
definitely
need support system.
yes,
we always
absolutely
need a helping hand.
Absolutely.
And the helping hand எப்பயுமே வந்து as a fellow female I will be there, and moreover I'm grateful to do that as a postpartum mother. நம்ம என்ன ஃபேஸ் பண்றோம் நமக்கு தெரியும், and she's the best example. She came through word of mouth. People believe in word of mouth. That's I'm grateful for that. Whoever referred you, I'm thanking them. So thank you so much. Thank you ma'am. Thank you.